नमस्ते, पंडित फकीर जेम्स बॉन्ड योगी वीरेंद्र योगी.
Okay. Dr. Sadranji, very good morning. How are you, sir?
I'm very fine, sir.
Tell me, what's your question?
How we live a long and peaceful life?
Okay, to live a long and peaceful life. See, this is the fundamental for every living creature. Every living creature has a defined period of living time. Human being lives near about 100, 110, exceptionally somebody goes 120 and all. But normal life depends on so many parameters. India average was something like 55 and 60. I don't know what is that. Japan, people live more than some 80, 90. I don't know exact figures, so I'm very sorry to tell you. American, your daughters are there in America. They also live little longer life. See, to live a longer life, you remember Maslow theory of triangles, requirements and needs, you should be having all the access to your physiological needs. Physiological needs, body needs nutrition. Like you have to have good food, good water, fresh air, all these which can be supplied to every cell, tissue and organs of your body when you are eating. Shelter, you should be protected in your house to cope with different weathers, conditions, and clothes. You must protect your body. This is fundamental for any human being. Next comes safety, security. You should be protected from any kind of aggression, attack. Sociological needs is very, very important. Like you see, one of the most important needs of the body is sex. Sexual energy is plenty, abundantly available in every creature for progenation or procreation. So that is also very, very important. You see, people lack these kind of partners, so they go for masturbations or then to go for animal sex and so many diversified sexual relations. So a lot of diseases come. As you're a doctor, you know that. So there has to be very, very careful. Means discipline is very important. Eating, sleeping, going to the fresh air, doing regular exercise, swimming, cycling, playing tennis and so many other games, they are very important for your body, because once you are playing, your body gets hot, and then to cool the body, you have sweating. So all the sweat glands are actions, and all the impurities and toxic things in the body doesn't go only through your excretion system, excretory system, rather it also goes through your sweating glands, So these are very, very important to live life. As a first is this physical, then comes mental. Mind is absolutely important. A wise man can live much longer because he will really know exactly how to live life. And that's why I'm teaching yoga. And yoga, what are the parameters? Your thought. The thought in the mind will shape your destiny. The thought in the mind will make your character. The thought in the mind will create your conditions, circumstances, environment. So you have to have all the noble thoughts, good thoughts in the mind has really a lot of impact in your life. That is very important. And Patanjali has taught, and Buddha has taught, all these 8 factors. Ahimsa, Satya, Astya, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha, Swaksha, Santosha, Tapsa, Swadhyaya, Sura, Paridhana. These are the way you have to deal with. Non-violent, truthfulness, non-stealing, no greed, and sexual energy well controlled. Right way it should be given the chance. You see, after marriage, everyone has a lot of volume of sex. Nobody knows it. You cannot tell sex is not important. A fool can only tell sex is not important. Everybody indulges in sex. Somebody is a defined institution of marriage, and somebody does a lot more, the extracurricular activities, my friend. So to live a longer life, every needs of your body should be fulfilled, and then comes your mind should be fully saturated with good thoughts. Disciplined mind. And how discipline can be attained? Tell me, how to make your mind disciplined? Serenity is a calmness of mind, which can be the result of a long and persistent effort in self-control. You have to control. Because as per yoga literature, and everyone has told, mind is drifting. You have to control the drifting mind. It's very difficult. But those who have conquered their mind, they have conquered more than anything else on life. So, bottom line. Tell me, what is the bottom line? How to be healthy, live longer and happy? Fulfill all the basic needs of the body. Then saturate your mind with noble thoughts, good thoughts. Good thoughts can only bring good results. Thank you, Dr. Sati.